Still changing your oil every 3,000 miles? You've been lied to. Today I'm busting 7 car myths that are draining your wallet and might even be hurting your ride. Let's jump in. Myth 1. Oil change every 3,000 miles is necessary. False. Most modern engines running on synthetic oils can go way longer, check your manual, but it's usually 5,000 to 7,500 miles, sometimes more. Don't throw money away too soon. Myth 2. Premium fuel always means better performance. Not true. Unless your car specifically says premium only, you're just paying extra for nothing. Regular fuel works just fine for most vehicles. Myth 3. Warming up your engine by idling is good. Actually, just driving gently after starting is better for your engine and the environment. Long idling just wastes gas. Myth 4. Brake pads must be replaced in pairs only. Not always. It depends on wear and condition. Sometimes one set is fine, but always check both to be safe. Myth 5. Dealer maintenance is mandatory. Nope. Independent mechanics can do the job just as well and often for less cash. Keep your receipts though. Myth 6. Running AC ruins your fuel economy. The effect is minimal, especially compared to open windows at highway speeds, so stay cool. Myth 7. Bigger battery means better performance. Battery size should match your vehicle's specs. Too big or too small can cause problems. Did you believe any of these myths? Drop a comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart car tips.